Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Brown color, dark blue color, black color, yellow color, red color, orange color, purple color, light green color, sky blue color, violet color, dark green color. Let's learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for aeroplane. O for oxygen. V for vanilla. Light green color. B for box. P for parrot. Y for yum. Sky blue color. E for egg. L for lollipop. T for train. Dark green color. D for dolphin. R for ring. W for wax. Purple color. G for gun. N for nose. X for xylophone. Orange color. C for car. M for monkey. Z for zipper. Yellow color. H for house. K for kiwi. U for uniform. Violet color. F for fruits. J for juice. S for strawberry. Dark green color. I for insect. Q for question. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello kids. How are you? Today we will learn 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Violet color, dark blue color, sky blue color, orange color, light green color, purple color, brown color, yellow color, red color, pink color. Let's learn to count some numbers. Number 1, Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Number 11. Number 12. Number 13. Number 14. Number 15. Number 16. Number 17. Number 18. Number 19. And number 20. Let's count the number again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.